Hi, Jill here. Thanks for stopping by to check out Pin with Confidence. I know that you probably have seen a lot of Pinterest trainings out there, and I know I certainly have gone through most of them myself. And I designed this video to help you decide whether this is for you or not, so you could make an educated decision. But if you're an Etsy shop seller or Shopify or Amazon Handmade, or even just have your own website with a store on it, this training is designed specifically for you. It's going to be step by step. It'll show you exactly what you need to do to solve the three biggest problems I see as a Pinterest VA for Etsy sellers that they struggle with. Number one, they don't know how to form a Pinterest account that is integrated with their shop and forms a cohesive brand. And so they spend a lot of time and energy trying to figure it out, usually with like free stuff that, or you might have even bought other programs out there, but it's all about blogging and bloggers and how to make their pins work for them. It's different when you're a product seller than when you're a blogger. And so then you resort to expensive tools, thinking that that will solve your problem. And that just makes problems one and two worse because it just doesn't work. So I designed this training to help you specifically. What it does is it takes you in 6 easy steps from building a profile to pinning strategically every day or at least a few times a week. The strategy takes about 15 minutes. And so you can do your marketing on Pinterest quickly and effectively and still have time to have a life. Go play with the kids, have a date, do something fun, get outside. Anyway, I'm the kind of person that likes step by step. I like to know, do this, then do this, then do this. I've sat down, I've got it done, I'm finished. I don't have to wonder what I have to do. I don't have to relearn everything because the strategy is so complicated. I forgot what I need to do next. And so it sucks up all my time. So with this training, everything is simply put, it's step by step. Do this every day. You're done. Get on with your life. You'll get consistent results and still have time and not have to spend a bunch of money on expensive tools, because the things that I teach you in this training are using free tools or moderately priced ones at the most. If this sounds like the kind of thing that you're interested in or you've been looking for, then please click that little yellow button over there on the side. That's right over there. We'll see you on the inside.